Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has promised the full and effective implementation of President Bola Tinubu's vision in the Niger Delta region. Dr. Ogbuku made the promise during his first meeting with staff of the NDDC at his corporate headquarters after his reappointment as Managing Director. He also solicited their collective efforts towards birthing a new and viable NDDC.
For the third time in 10 months, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku was again reappointed as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC. As news of Dr. Ogbuku's return to the Commission's headquarters filtered in, the Commission was agog with youth and women groups who besieged the Commission to welcome Dr. Ogbuku, whom they had described as the best hand for the job following his antecedents. They particularly commended the NDDC boss for all his inclusive agenda and thanked President Bola Tinubu for reappointing him.
Look at the massive project they are handling in Okreka, a link road from Okreka to Port Harcourt. That shows his personality. It's a landmark project. We know that he will deliver.
But I'm so grateful that the MD of the Niger Delta Commission has that vision that will give the youth a sense of belonging.
Shortly after his arrival, Dr. Ogbuku held a meeting with the staff of the Commission, where he solicited their collective support towards the actualization of the NDDC mandate of sustainable development and stability of the Niger Delta region. He also enjoined them to be acceptant of the new governing board of the NDDC and accord them their maximum cooperation when they resume.
As a family here, we are going to be working hard to ensure that we receive them well, give them the best of cooperation after they must have gone through screening and confirmation and immigration. So that job starts now, so that when they come, they'll just hit the ground running.
Dr. Ogbuku further commended President Bola Tinubu for the trust reposed in him by reappointing him and promised to prove himself worthy of the onerous task. He vowed to work tirelessly with the new NDDC board members in actualizing Mr. President's vision for the Niger Delta region. Since the inception of the NDDC in 2001, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku is the first manager to survive successive government appointments as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Intervention Agency. Dr. Ogbuku was appointed in December 2022 by former President Muhammadu Buhari and subsequently reappointed twice by President Bola Tinubu in the same capacity. It goes without saying that Dr. Ogbuku is indeed a round peg in a round hole, which explains why several stakeholders across the Niger Delta had clamored for his retention as the MD and CEO of the NDDC.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,